Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can configure static IP address as well as DNS on a Parrot OS device. Now this is the Parrot OS device. So we'll be using the GUI to make the changes. Now you'll need to go to System here and then Preferences and then go to Internet and Network and then Advanced Network Configuration. Then under Ethernet, you want to go to your wired connection and then click on this settings icon. And then you want to go to IPv4. If you're working with IPv6, you'll use this, but I'm going with IPv4 here. This is where you can add your IP. So if you don't already have one, this is where you'll add it. Here you have the option to use DHCP or manual. Since we are using a static IP address, we'll use a manual IP here. And then here you'll need to add an IP. Let me go ahead and delete this one. So you type in the IP address. So 172.16.1.115. Then your subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then your gateway, your router's IP 172.16.1.4, and it's added. You go ahead and save it, and you can close this. Now in order for the changes to take effect, you'll need to run the Service Network Manager restart command. So you just open the terminal and run sudo service network manager restart. Put in your password, and that should restart the services and apply the changes. Now let's go ahead and look at DNS. We can first verify what we have configured for DNS. We can use the command ns lookup. Then we can type here a website, and the server we have for DNS is 1.1.1 port 53. That's what we use to translate google.com to this IP. Now you can check online to see free DNS servers. So just open your browser and then Google for free DNS servers. And the main ones are normally Google Public DNS, which is 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, and then there's Cloudflare 1.1.1 and then 1.0.0.1. In my case, I'm using Cloudflare's 1.1.1. I can change this to Google, or I can have multiple. So let's see how we can do that. We'll go back to the System, Preferences, Internet and Network, and then under wired connection settings, IPv4 settings, here you have DNS servers. This is where you add or change, and you can use a comma to add more. So let's just change it to 8.8.8, save, close, and let's open the terminal again and repeat the command ns lookup google.com. It's still using 1.1.1, so we have to rerun the Service Network Manager restart command again. So sudo Service Network Manager restart. And we will rerun this command, and this time it's using 8.8.8. So it has changed to this server from the 1.1 that we used earlier. So that's all for this video. That's how you can configure static IP address and DNS on your Parrot OS device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.